We finna clean out the fridge. Yes, y'all, hanging out in the fridge. That is what we're doing today. Oh, shoot. The sounds of the city. We are going to organize today. Shit everywhere. It ain't gonna be perfect, let me tell you. Also, exciting news. I bought a camera. It ain't nothing fancy. It's a little Pocket 2 by DJI. Yes. So that'll be here today, hopefully. I'm gonna go wash my hands though. Got some more containers over here. Bam. To put these back here. Still good. Need to use them though. Put these in this drawer as well. I don't know why my instinct is to look at the red and not the lens. I don't know. Let's go wash some fruits. So obviously with grapes, they're like, you should only wash what you're about to use. But I guarantee you my kids are going to come home and eat damn near half a bag in like 20 minutes. And the only reason they're going to stop is because I have to make them. And they're just going to steal them constantly throughout the day while they're here. So they need to be washed before they eat them, and I'm not always gonna see them eating them. So I'm not washing off like the waxy coating. I just need to clean off the pesticides and the dirt, and you know, make sure shit like this is done. Dry these little suckers off. This water is so damn cold. Oh my god. Baskets. Ooh, that's ugly. But they gonna have a lot of fruit this week, and they gonna eat it all. I know that much. It's looking pretty dope in here. That is supposed to be a hanger. Is this a hanger here? But one of the arms got bent, so that bitch hangs too low, and then it's just pointless. Dope. I think I'm missing a container though. No, I'm not. Duh, it's back there. I need to get my medicine now. I need to stop before I fall down these stairs. I'm mad excited though. I'm mad excited. Because I was back out. It's lunchtime. It feels really good to be back on my medication correctly. So I took it right this morning because I knew this medicine was going to be here today or tomorrow-ish. Feels great. It's here. I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's just so tiny. And this is like, it's the creator combo. So there's like a whole bunch of shit in here. Like all of this stuff. I got paint on my hands from that fucking basket. It's fine. Oh, bam. Cool, cool. All right, what is this? Very nice, very nice. Pretty sure this is, yep, that's the adapter to plug my phone into it. Wide angle lens. Damn, it's tiny. That's the mini control stick. All these tiny pieces. Oh my god, it's terrifying. All right. God, this is so little. Oh, no. Why did I do this? Right, that's the cover for where you put the little adapter. Okay, all right, all right. Oh, it's so small. Right. This is the do-it-all handle, I'm assuming. Microphone. I think this is for the tripod. And here is the tiny tiny little tripod. Oh my god. Okay, so I know I keep going on and on about these fucking pigeons, but they are so rude. I literally just had to move out of the way because the pigeon kept walking